Hello everyone. Today we're going to see the second flight I did over the park. Actually, it's a pair of flights which are short, but it was really interesting flights where I FPV recorded remotely as well the image, which you're gonna see it on picture in picture. There were two things I would like to say about these two flights. One is that I tried to land on the Apron with the auto Apron feature, but it did not work. I know why. It's because I didn't stop recording before the quad landed, so it could not engage on the auto Apron feature. But next time I'll do what it takes, okay? And the second thing is I found out that the landing base interferes with the flow positioning LED that measures the signal, that measures the distance from the ground. And basically the system thinks that it's very close to the ground once the quad is about 3 meters from the ground, and then it starts turning the propellers less fast, and then the quad lands quite abruptly, quite hard actually on the hard snow, but it stayed above the snow, and the base could take that. So it's just that I know what to do now. I'm going to adjust the landing base, bring it a little bit forward, the back portion, bring it a little bit forward, because in any way the center of gravity is a lot more in the front, so that should not be a problem. And I'm going to adjust the landing base so that it would land soft, like without landing base. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my channel, and I'll see you next time. By the way, next time is gonna be a fantastic flight over the park again, but then it was very sunny, the temperature was very close to zero, and we are going to see very beautiful images of the snow and the surroundings. I think it's one of the best recordings I did. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my channel, and talk to you soon.
Refresh the return point. Please mind the return position.
One night in a disco on the outskirts of Frisco, I was cruising with my favorite gang. so boring, filled with out-of-towners touring. I knew that it wasn't my thing. I really wasn't caring, but I felt my eyes staring at a guy who stuck out in the crowd. He had the kind of body that would shame Adonis, and a face that would make any man proud. Oh, what wow! He's the greatest dancer. Oh, what wow! That I've ever seen. Oh, what wow! He's the greatest dancer. Oh, what wow! The champion of dance, his moves will put you in a trance, and he never leaves the disco alone. Arrogance but not conceit, as a man he's complete. My creme de la creme, please take me home. He wears the finest clothes, the best designers, heaven knows. Ooh, from his head down to his toes. Hubsan, Gucci, Fiorucci. He looks like a steal, that man is dressed to kill. Oh, what wow! He's the greatest dancer. Oh, what wow! That I've ever seen. I've ever seen. He's the greatest dancer. Oh, what wow! That I've ever seen.
Landing. Landing.
One night in a disco on the outskirts of Frisco, I was cruising with my favorite gang. The place was so boring, filled with out-of-towners touring. I knew that it wasn't my thing. I really wasn't caring, but I felt my eyes staring at a guy who stuck out in the crowd. He had the kind of body that would shame Adonis, and a face that would make you